Welcome to our YouTube channel, showcasing the exquisite world of Flex Wallpaper Designs for hair salons. Prepare to be inspired as we unveil the perfect fusion of style and functionality for your salon walls. Step into the world of elegance and creativity with our Hair Salon Flex Wallpaper Design video. Discover the perfect blend of style and versatility as we introduce you to stunning wallpaper designs crafted specifically for hair salons. Unleash your salon's true potential with our range of Flex wallpaper options, designed to elevate the ambience and captivate your clients' senses. From sleek and modern patterns to intricate and glamorous motifs, our collection offers endless possibilities for transforming your salon space. Experience the power of Flex wallpaper as it effortlessly adapts to any surface, seamlessly conforming to the curves and contours of your salon walls. Say goodbye to limitations and embrace the freedom to create unique and personalized designs that reflect your salon's brand and aesthetics. Our Flex wallpaper not only adds visual appeal but also offers practical benefits. With its durability and easy-to-clean nature, you can maintain a pristine salon environment without compromising on style. Let your salon walls make a statement while providing a functional and inviting atmosphere. Subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration, expert tips, and innovative ideas on incorporating Flex wallpaper in your hair salon. Stay ahead of the trends and discover how to create a salon experience that will leave a lasting impression on your clients. Transform your hair salon with our Hair Salon Flex Wallpaper Design video and unlock a world of endless possibilities. Elevate your salon's aesthetics, create a captivating atmosphere, and set yourself apart in the industry.